Today, we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I know, it has been a super long time. And if you guys have not played this before, here's a tutorial. Jonathan?
Well, basically, you just have to, you start off with one bee, and then you just kind of go to your hive, collect it, and...
Collect all the honey.
You and your bees just collect all the honey, and you sell them at your hive. Well, no, you collect all the pollen, and then you sell them at the hive to get a lot of honey, and you can buy better shovels and bags to help you progress in the game.
Yes. That's exactly it. But today we will be going to look for ladybugs, and that's one there. But you must destroy one. So let your bees do it. Don't hit it. If you hit it with your shovel, you might die. But that's okay.
That's okay. Also, if you die, then you spawn back at your hive, and all your bees have to rest at the hive for a little bit.
Yes. And don't worry, everything will be okay. If your bees are sad, then give them some food. If your bees aren't sad,
today what we're gonna do is right now I'm trying to collect some badges by getting a lot of quests in. So, what do you want to do today, Josie?
well, we'll be teaching our quote-unquote class that we can teach our bees how to fight. Some of the bees already know how to fight.
Our goal today should be Josie trying to get 10 bees.
Yeah.
And we'll go to that area. And then...
I already have 9 bees.
Josie, once you get 2 bees, you can go to the 10 bees area. There's multiple areas. If you have 5 bees, 10 bees, it's every 5 more bees that you get.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. And then once you get higher, it's going to be every 10 more bees and stuff.
Mhm.
So once Josie gets 10 bees, then she's going to be able to fight her first mantis.
Yes, I will be fighting my first mantis in a few weeks
get
class.
It? Get it? You will be. Get it?
Sorry, class. My friend here is a little bit of a jokester / prankster. Now let's get back from getting our first 10 bees.
Wait, first, who wants to see Gumdrop? Gumdrop!
Woohoo!
Gumdrop!
Now these, class, are gumdrops. You must get them before they disappear.
If you hit them with your shovel, then you get some honey.
Mm-hmm.
So, Rebecca's about to go, so are you trying to grind up to the 10 bees? How many bees do you have?
I have 9 bees. Now, class, if you have your first bee, you must train it to get full level.
The better the level, the more damage it does.
Yes.
What I mean by damage, it gives you more honey, and it does, more critical damage to the stuff that you're fighting.
Okay, class, I'll be right back.
In this game, you could fight rhino beetles, ladybugs. You probably already saw ladybugs in Rosie. You can fight mantises. I'm not the best at this game, so I haven't got to see all of them.
Yeah.
But you could fight tunnel beetles.
Mm-hmm.
Tunnel airs. I don't think Josie even knows what that is.
Yeah, I don't really know.
Really hard. You need 10 bees to actually go to the 10 bee area. Oh, someone sent me a friend request.
Yeah, was his name Adelin or something?
Yeah, 80.
I don't know.
80.
Ah! Now this class is a rhino beetle. you must get its honey and other random stuff. Sorry. I don't know.
What I usually do when you fight stuff, I kind of circle around whatever you're fighting, and it can never hit you.
Yes.
Don't be close though. Be close, but don't be close at the same time.
Now, class, if you go in here, please do not go. There is a king beetle in there.
Moonsprout. Show them a moonsprout.
There's a king beetle in there. You do not want to fight it.
Josie.
Yes?
Moonsprout.
Oh, yes. Now, class, there's a sprout over somewhere, and you must get it before it probably disappears.
Well, it won't actually disappear. It'll stay forever until you get it.
Yeah. Sometimes it might, but just, yeah. But anyway.
I don't know. I don't think you're gonna be. Right now, I'm fighting a werewolf, but I don't think you are gonna be able to see the sprout.
Yes. Now this class, this is the 15 bees pass. If you see on the top, you need 15 bees to pass. Now my assistant is fighting a werewolf. So let's get back down there and fight some ladybugs before they pounce at you. Class, do you have anything to say? Yes, okay. I like how no one's saying anything.
I think after quarantine, just getting crazy. This is what quarantine does to you people.
I guess so.
Aren't you crazy?
Anyways, class, do you see how some bees are kind of sad and left behind? That means they're not growing with you. You don't feed them as much as you feed the others. So please.
If you feed them, then it'll help you and your bees.
Yes.
It helps both of you on one side.
Yes. If you do not feed your bees, most or all of your bees will either throw your honey or just leave you behind and not help you.
Well, if they're sad, then they will, say if you're collecting pollen, and you're using the pollen to get honey, once you're making the honey, some of your bees won't, do all of the pollen into honey. They wouldn't really put it in, they'll just,
Hi, buddy.
leave it. It wouldn't really help.
Yeah.
Also, if you feed trees, then, as I said, it'll make you even stronger and way better and more healthier.
Yes.
So
Oh, man. Now, class, you might have to grab some new bags and also some new shovels. But you won't need that yet. It's probably too much honey. Now, let's move on.
Okay. So, right now, I am grinding on my badges to get 250,000 flour.
Okay.
And it is insanely hard.
So, class.
So, the badges in the quests are, really, really helpful. If you complete them, then you'll get something really good.
Do you see this creature, class? It's a jelly bean launcher.
Jelly bean launcher, question mark? Oh, I see it.
Yeah, Yes.
Hello, this is me.
Yes, this is my friend, Jonathan. And he and I will be teaching you about Bee Simulator. So, yeah. This is my question. Yes.
We will be teaching you about bees in Bee Swarm Simulator. Your bees help you believe
True though. But yes, class, that is all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Or maybe today. You never know.
Yeah. So, bye.